been a day. That's all I can say. It's been a day. I went and volunteered in our son's class today, and it was a lot. Like, I really am like, to the educators out there, I give you a high five, I give you a thumbs up, I give you all the praise, because it's not easy. I'm like, you know, taking care of other people's children and doing a great job of it is not easy, because it's like you need to be patient with these children, and you know, it's difficult to, especially when, you know, like in the realm of like special needs children, it can be even more difficult, because some of these kids are nonverbal, some of them have different wants and needs, some of them have different triggers to their outbursts and stuff like that. You know this, but seeing it, children in all different levels, all different, like I guess, like I said, abilities and deficits, it's a lot. And I was there just to volunteer, and I just kind of wanted to see the lay of the land and kind of how they do their day. But today was like a special day because they were doing testing, so even that kind of threw them off their schedule. So they kept apologizing. They were like, it's not normally like this. And I'm like, I'm just here for extra hands. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, tell me what you need and we will just try to make it as normal as possible. But you can tell it was like difficult. And again, to all the teachers that are battling different personalities, different neurodivergence versus neurotypical, all that in one classroom can be a lot. So a classroom full of neurodivergent children is a lot to wrangle sometimes. And as you can hear, it is a lot to wrangle. One kid, imagine a class with 10 plus children. So I'm making it work. I hope I was helpful. You know, they kept thanking me, so I believe I made a difference today. So yeah, that was my day so far. We just left therapy and we are heading home to see, you know, what else we can do for the next day, you know. And then tomorrow we're gonna go live. I think I was telling you guys about like Whatnot and how we are doing some live sales on there for a business that we've had for years, but we're kind of like revamping it and using Whatnot as a platform right now. So yeah, there's a bunch of things happening, and I'm trying my best to kind of make things work, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job of it. Pat myself on the back. But yeah, that's kind of how the day is going. So I hope your day is going as well as mine, or better, or if it's not going well, just know that, you know, the end of 24 hours will end and then another one will begin. So hopefully tomorrow will be better, and if not, you have the next day and the next day. It always gets better. There's always opportunity for it to get better. So peace and love. I'll see you on the next side.